Should we go inside?
Yeah.
Where are you on holiday, Arthur?
You're not at England, forgotten.
Is it in Northumberland?
You're not in Northumberland.
That's right. And are you going to show us your little holiday house for the week? Do you want to go upstairs? Or should we go down here? This is the kitchen, yeah?
Yeah, you do not easier to way to. Yes.
And dining room table.
Yeah.
Some nice lounge area. And the daddy area.
Hello.
We're going to go to show you guys.
What are you going to show us, Arthur?
You know, it's a place where you can swim.
Okay, the swimming and games area.
So this is the central garden area, isn't it, Arthur?
Yep.
Yeah, this is where we garden.
Daddy.
These are just one of the many flowers that I know. This is an allium.
Lavender. Actually, Daddy told me.
It's true. It's right, Arthur. You were right.
Privet.
Privet.
Privet. Yeah.
You'll notice me something. You'll notice guys, you can play ping pong right over there.
Yeah, it's cool, that.
Yeah. You'll notice my most favorite thing is a swimming pool.
Okay, shall we have a look at it on the outside?
Yep. Basically, I you'll notice guys, me just sort of just, you'll notice, let's not show them.
We'll
I
show
think
later.
Yeah, I'm going to show you later.
There's a secret code to get into the clubhouse. Right? Don't tell anyone.
Check.
Oh. Okay. Good game.
Oh no, I don't know if it's a good game.
You're shaking my hand.
No. Don't call me to here.
Careful not to fall in the water.
You're noticing no water there, idiot. Remember?
Oh, tears. Oh, okay.
And where's this one? This is the games room upstairs. We've got a little pool table. There was a big snooker table downstairs, wasn't there?
Wii U.
Oh wow. Wii U with lots of games. And then you were playing this last night, weren't you, Arthur?
Yeah. Yeah, and so I did it as well.
Well done.
Yeah!
Well done. You're good at this, aren't you?
Yep, good.
First to 3 mini game, okay? 2-0 to you.
Uh-oh.
So I am a bit of an expert at this, so.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Hey, I think that's Daddy's game, isn't it?
Yep, that.
You're the air hockey hero and Daddy's the football.
Hello. You'll notice win and goal. And you'll notice this is the goal. And look at the boat.
There's a mirror.
And then
It's amazing.
you'll notice baby. You'll notice that. You'll notice and you take nearly half of your energy away. Okay. You'll notice me for that. Oh, like got automatic.
Oh, whoa. Hi. Pretty good, eh? Phoebe the shark. Bye, Arthur.